Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you this new banking website which has multiple billing codes. So we have codes like COT code, IMF code, and your tax code, which you have to input when you want to make wire transfer and all of that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the sites for yourself and for your clients, how users can manage the sites, how the admin can also control the site from the admin panel. So this is the front end, this is the front page of the website, as you can see here. All the details and everything has already been added for you. Images, consider very beautiful designs, the content and everything has been done for you. So the only thing you just have to do now is just to install this for yourself, and you can go ahead and start using this particular website. So no need to show yourself about the content and all that. See, you can see very beautiful design, and it's a multiple page website. You can see a personal page and all this here. You also have business and all that. So the loan session, the service, online banking, wire transfer, stolen card, and all that. Then contact us page. So that's about this front end. So next thing we'll do now is to log into our account to actually see how users can actually perform activities on this particular website. So you can open an account. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you can just register your account here with your first name, last name, email, country, on necessary details. Then you click on create accounts. But for this, I already have an account, so I'll just log into my account. All right, so user ID, I'll put my user ID here. Okay, so my password, put that here. Then click on sign in. Okay. You see a little bit of security added here, so you have to put your PIN. So when you're actually registering your account, you should put that onto. Okay, that's my PIN. Then click on sign into your account. Boom. So this is our dashboard. We can see welcome back to test user. You can see we have my total balance, your loan balance, wire transfer, domestic transfer. So these are the money I've already transferred, wire transfer, then domestic transfer. Then we can see here currency. You have dollar. Then your account type is savings, status active, and your account limit, which is there. Then in here you can see your recent transactions, which was done today. Okay, and all that. So then you also see how as a translator, so you can actually change this dashboard to any language you want. So English, Spanish, Chinese, wherever you want to change it to, you can change that, which is an amazing feature. So the first thing we'll try out here now is this digital funding. So to actually this digital funding is actually to deposit into your account, deposit your account. So I want to deposit $500. So I'll choose crypto, the wallet address, and okay, no, the wallet address actually set from the admin side, so there's nothing here now. I'll show you guys how you can actually set this wallet address. So and also you have to submit your once I make a payment to this particular address, then submit your proof of payment. All right, so once you put your payment proof here, then enter your transaction pin. Okay, just put that there, transaction pin, then click on deposit request. So click on that, and okay, and that is that for that. So next thing we'll do now is this wire transfer. Click on that. Wire transfer. Okay. Then this wire transfer, we have to put an amount here. So let's say we want to put wire transfer of 400. Okay, let's say $400. So okay, bank name, you can say test bank. Beneficial account bank address, okay, let's put anything there. Then the name, you can say test user, something like that. Then the account number, I just put the just account number there. Then Swift code, if you have that, just put Swift code there. Swift code, put that there. Sorry, put the Swift code there. The routing number, just put that there. Then account type, you can say the different options here. You can see savings account, current account, checking account, fixed, and also other options. So I don't go for savings account. Click on that. Then select the country. So select the country. Go for say um, United Kingdom. So that shows that. Then select from this particular account. So click on proceed with that. You can see, okay, well, preview. You can see the amount here, 400, test bank, and all that. So the fee of $35 will take in the see transfer ID. This is like a preview of what you placed there. So you just click on confirm transaction. All right. Okay, now this way you actually have to insert your COT code for this particular transaction. So you actually have to contact your support to give you this particular code. So I already have my code here, so I know my COT code, and also the COT code can also be gotten from the admin side. So I will show you guys later on how you can get your COT code and all that. So put my COT code here, confirm that. I see my tax code. I have to just put my tax code here. Put that there, click on confirm code. You also have to put your IMF code. So my IMF code, just put that there too. You can confirm that. Okay, you can see, okay, you're talking code verification. So you have to check your mail. So a code was actually sent to your mail. This is my particular mail to confirm this transaction. So I just check my email now. So put the code. Okay, the code. All right. So that's the code that was sent to me. Click on confirm. Okay, just wait for it to load. I can see transaction successful. I can see all the details here. I see everything here. Transaction, the amount, the routing number, savings, all the details of transaction. I can see transaction 100% successful. So that is that about the sessions. I can see your recent transaction. This is the one I did just now. Here. So basically, this is how this asset particularly works. So next one, to go domestic transfer. Domestic transfer. Put the same amount account to deposit 200. Okay, transfer $200. So user name, test user, then receiver's address. You can just put anything there. Then bank name. So you can say test bank. You have to actually put the user's bank name. Then account number. So just put a random account number there. Okay. Then the routing number. Just put that there. Routing number. Then account type. Let's say savings. I'll go for savings. Then set the country. Go for Argentina. Then click on proceed, or also say reset this if you choose to do that. You see, you actually have to see preview this to actually make sure all the details you feel are actually correct. So this is everything here. So these are all the details here. Okay, and okay. All these are correct. So you just click on confirm transaction, click on that. All right, just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. You see, you also sent a code to my email to confirm this transaction. Just include that there to make sure it's actually me that's actually performing this transaction. So click on confirm. All right, just give it time to load. So just have to confirm that that is correct. I can see now transaction successful, and these are all the details of this particular transaction. And you can see all that. See 100% here. So that is that for this particular place. What do we have here? So next one we have here is loan. You can actually take loan on this particular website. So I want to take loan of say $300. So just put that there. Then select login type. Say personal loan. Then duration. Say 30 days. Then loan remark. Say let's say and put just write test. Then send request. Click on send request. Yeah. I see transaction successful. So all right, so you have already taken that loan. So when the admin approves it, then you can actually see the approval there. So this part needs to see your transaction history. Transaction history. So just give it time to load. Okay, that's loading. Just wait for it to load. Okay, yeah, now you can see all your transaction history I've made on this particular site. So you can see the loan history set to just now. It was loan. $300 date, the reference ID. So the status actually keep processing. So that's that for that. And so this part now is to log out to your account. Yeah, click on here, you can see your profile. Click on profile to see your details in your account and all that. So next thing now is to show you guys the admin side, the admin panel, so you can actually see how the admin can manage this particular website. So I have the admin here. So this is my admin, this is the admin panel right now. So it's already I'm already logged in already. So let me just reload this. Okay, you can see total balance here, number of users, 14 users, total wire transfer, total domestic transfer, pending deposit, total deposit, total stock, total loan amount, which is all there. So here you can also see send mail to a particular user. So you can just choose a particular user, select the email, put the subject there, then message, and click on send mail to that particular user. So in here we can do create and debit user. Okay, create and debit user. So you can click on this. Okay, let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. All right, it's load. So it's loaded. So this part now you can just select the user. So this is my account here. Click my account here. I want to fund my account. Say $300. Okay, $200, $100 or $1,000. Anyone. In the description, you can just say test credit, test credit. Then tell the date, time, and all that. Put that there. Select the time. Then you can just click on credit to actually credit your account with this $2,000. But if you click on debit, you actually debit the user's account with this $2,000. So that is how this particular section actually works. So this bank transfer part now, you can see wire transfer transactions. It's actually to see all the transactions on this particular website. So this is my processing. Okay, this is my transaction. I did some wire transfer I did earlier on my account. So I can choose to delete it and I choose to view. So I click on view. Click on view. I can choose to accept this transaction, so approve it, on hold or decline it, choose to decline it. And you also get an email if I perform any of these activities here. So that's that. And I can also still update this, so I can just come here, put any figures here, and then click on update. Guys, okay, so that's that for this particular part. So the same thing goes for domestic transfer. Domestic transfer, you can also delete, then you can also edit as to view. So you can update this, you can accept or delete all these two or decline. There are same thing for the credit transactions. You can see all the credit transactions here. You can see complete here. You can also edit and also delete here. And also we have the debit transactions too. Debit transactions, so the same thing, you can edit and also delete here. So that's that for that. So next part now we're going to crypto deposit. So click on approve deposit. You can see the approved deposit here. You can see user, the total, computer, the date. You can view this, and it's also the same process. You can decline, hold, or accept this particular transaction. So you can also do pending deposits. So pending deposits are users that made deposits need to approve. So you can see all this are showing transaction processing. You can also delete this, and you can also, if you click on view here, you can also still approve this particular transaction on hold and click on decline. So that is the same thing for that. So you can also see rejected deposits. Rejected deposit, all right. So there's certainly no rejected deposit here. So these are deposits you have actually declined. So that will be here. And also, what do you have next? Stock. Okay, you can add the stock. Okay, there's no stock here. You can just add the stock here. Then also you can add. Okay, sorry, let's go back. All right, so next one is to click on the loan transactions. So click on loan transactions. Let's see that. So this is my loan I took just now, which is $300 loan. So I can delete this and I just see view. So click on view, you see where I can accept this transaction, then you can make it hold or decline. Then this will be the message that will be sent to a particular user when you approve. You can also change this if you want. So next thing is to click on all users. All users, so you can see all the users on this particular platform. So you can edit their account, delete their account, edit their details, and also see their give them their tax code, COT code, IMF code, and all those information. So you can make their account active, make their account inactive, and all that. All right, so these are all the users on the particular website. Now you can see these are all the users. So you can click on next page, go to the next page, and all that. So this is my account here. I can choose to delete. So click on view. You can see my account address, the date of birth, okay, my email, currency. So you can turn on billing code here. So if I turn off billing code, so when users want to make a wire transfer, they won't ask them for those particular COT, IMF codes and all that. You can just turn that off and click on update. So this partner where you see your COT code, the tax code, and IMF code. So you can update this for that particular user and change to anything you want, then send it to them for their transaction. So click on update here. So that's that for that. So here you can also change their password. So you put your old password and put their new password here. Then click on change password. Then you can also change their current pin for them and also their profile image and their account status. So to change their account status to on hold, they can't log in their account active. You can use their account freely. So that is that for this particular session. So this partner is to create a user. So you can create a user in this account. So you can just fill up these details. After filling up the details, and just click on create new profile, and that's that for that. This partner is tickets. So these are users which are submitting tickets like issues they have on this particular website. So this is your ticket that was submitted. So you click on view. Okay, this is a particular. Okay, sorry about that. You can just let's go through them, then and know what you have issue they are actually having. So the next partner is this profile. The profile, so just give it time to load. All right, so wait for it to load. All right, so this is the to edit user the admin profile. So you can change the password and the email address and all that here. So digital payment. So click on digital payment. This is where you can update the address users can use for payment. So if you click on add new payment option, I just put the payment name, then the payment details. So if you're saying Bitcoin, you can add Bitcoin there, and then put the address there. Then click on save changes, which will actually show when users want to make a deposit, and that's that for that. So system settings, you can see all the site settings. You can site name, site email, currency, loan, everything. You can just you can also turn off billing code in the food site. So you can turn it off. Users know how to use billing code for that. Trello configuration for SMS and task code. You can turn anyone off if you want to do that. And you can also change the site logo and all that. So basically, this is how this site actually works and how the admin can manage this particular website. So next thing I want to show you guys how to do now is to actually set up this site for yourself and for your clients. Okay, now after you have bought your domain name and hosting and all that, so and if you're logged into your cPanel, take to the dashboard. So if you don't know how to get your domain name and hosting, so contact the number in the description of this video. So walk you on how you can get your domain name and hosting. After I log into your cPanel to take you straight to this page and all that. So for this, since it's a test, I will upload this in a subdomain. So I'll just click on domains, click on domain. Let me create a subdomain. Okay, let's see. So click on create domain. Okay, create domain. Okay, so just name this new bank. So just put a new bank dot the domain name, the main domain name. Then click on submit and click on submit. So just wait for it create. Okay, it has created successfully. So just access this from here. New bank, click on this here. But if you're uploading into the main domain without the subdomain, just click on this and upload this in there. Once you have done this, so we're going to actually upload the particular file for this website. So click on upload, then click on select file. Then just give it time to load. I'm going to select here the particular file is it. So just click on here. Then look for the particular file. Is it there? So click on open. So you have to actually wait for this to actually show green before you actually proceed with anything. So just wait for it to upload. Okay. So now you have seen now this is actually showing green. So it has uploaded completely. So you just cancel this here. So just reload here. Then click on extract. Extract here. So just wait for it to extract. Okay, just wait. Okay, it has extracted successfully. Click on close. Load this page. This file, you don't need it again, so just delete it. Delete permanently. Confirm. Then click on here and show hidden files. Show hidden files. Okay, click on that. Then also, okay, just select all these files here. Click on move. So this part now, you don't need this part here now is actually the folder name. So I don't need that folder name. Remove that. So I just need to be in the main domain. It's main subdomain. Click on move file, and I go back here. As you can see, the files are here. So next thing now is to actually create our database, so we can actually set up our database connection and set our site can function well. So click on here, click on DB Wizard, database wizard. Just say DB here, and click on DB Wizard. DB Wizard. All right. So what we have here, we name a new bank. New bank. Okay, that's the name I want to use. So click on next. I actually like using the same name for all this. So I actually like using the same name for my DB name and username, so it can be easy for me. So put that here. So I also like using this. So my password and that. So very strong. So click on create user. So okay, click on allow all privileges. Okay, then scroll down, click on make changes. Done that, and successfully you have created your database. So this name here is actually our username, this is actually our database name, and it's also see our password. So that's why I just like using everything like that, so it can be easy for me to use. So just click on copy. You can just copy one of these. Go back to your files. So look for include. This include folder here. Click on that. Then click on config. Open this place up. Click on edit. Then also scroll down. So this part now we're going to update this to username. So you don't actually mind what to do. So just put everything the same name because our database name, password, and username are actually the same thing. So that's why I said we should be using it like that. So now the next thing to put now is our site. Okay, I just put your site name here. I can just name it new bank. So and also website URL. So website URL you can just get this from here. So just go back here, search on domains. This domains here. Click on that. Then just scroll down. Since it's subdomain, just scroll down. And this is it. So just click on this is here. Click on this. Just copy this URL like this. Copy this. You can see access denied because our database has not been connected yet. So once you see this, just know your database has not been connected yet. So this is our site URL. Just copy this here. Go back here. So just paste this here. Remove this. Make sure it doesn't have a slash at the ending. And this slash at the ending here, remove it. Don't need a slash there. So this should be HTTPS. Okay. Subdomain URL. Okay. Then our webmail, you can just change this here to okay .com. So we don't need the subdomain here again for our email. So okay, sorry, just remove this all this. So it'll be support at or whatever you name it at your the main domain. This is the main domain at this.com.ng. So after doing that, click on save. Once click on save, I will refresh this back now. You see that that's already load. Okay, no, it won't work yet because I'm not done one more thing. We need to upload our SQL file. SQL file, go back, let's go back. Okay, so this is our SQL file. Click on this folder, download this, click on download into your computer. Okay, that's there. Then go back to your cPanel, search for PHP myadmin. PHP myadmin, just wait for it to load. Alright, so it's loading. And this is data being created. This is new bank, so click on that. Then click on import here, import. Then select the file you downloaded in your computer. Click on that. File downloads. So this is it here. Downloads. Okay. Then scroll down a little bit. Then click on import. Okay. All right. Okay. Once you see like this, you know that's imported successfully. You can see your database here. Files and that with that. It's loaded successfully. Alright, so let's go back here. Okay, you can see reload this, you see the website is actually live. So you can see how easy it is to set up for yourself and how you can set it up for your clients. You can see exactly the same thing and everything is loading perfectly. So there's one more step we have to do now is to set up our SNTP. So click on the set up our SNTP. So look for include folder. Alright, include folder, click on email folder here, click on that. SNTP.php, click on edit, and we have to set okay our domain name. Okay, our domain name will be our main domain. All right, so that's what was it. Okay, so our main domain name, just copy it from here. Yeah, put that there, copy that, remove this, paste that there. Then the mail, so it was still support, just put support there, support at the main domain. Then your password, there's the password, and seriously change this too. So just copy everything here. Then change this here to paste that there. And also paste this here. Then you can also change the name to new bank or whatever. New bank, alright. New bank. Then click on save. Make sure you save. Make sure you save everything you do. Click on save. And here too, make sure you save. Okay, that's already saved. So if you follow this step properly, you should be able to set up this site properly for yourself without any issue. I can see very easy to set up. So that's that for this video, and see you in the next one.